This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in a predictable sleep window. This trains your circadian rhythm and reduces nightly anxiety about sleep. Once you choose a bedtime and wake time, set a 30 to 60-minute wind down. Dim lights, stop screens, do a calm activity. Make sure to stop caffeine 6-8 hours before sleep and avoid heavy meals within 2-3 hours. These first steps lower physiological arousal and set the scene for sleep. Now move to behavioral adjustments to reinforce it. You now apply concrete behavioral strategies that change how your brain associates bed and sleep. Start stimulus control. Use the bed only for sleep and sex, and if you're awake more than 20 minutes, get up and return when drowsy. This resets the bed sleep link. Then use sleep restriction by tightening time in bed to match your average sleep plus 15-30 minutes to boost sleep pressure. Also, get bright light 10-30 minutes in the morning and schedule exercise earlier to anchor circadian timing. You finish by making changes durable. Keep a sleep diary for 2 to 4 weeks to track bedtime, wake time, naps, and sleep quality so you can fine-tune timing. Once done, maintain the routine even on weekends to stabilize rhythm. If symptoms persist longer than 3 months or you experience marked daytime impairment, seek professional help for cognitive behavioral therapy or medical evaluation. And if things go wrong, when you can't sleep, get out of bed for 20 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.